Hi, my heroes. Today I come with another topic, yoga and career. How to start a career in yoga field. Let me tell you how many difficulties will come and how many people will oppose you, how many struggles you will feel, and you don't know how much, but I will tell the truth how it will make you success and make you part of your life wonderful. I'll tell you how. But first thing is you must be ready for real challenge in your life, because yoga is completely different perspective in our society. So you can choose to become engineer, you can choose as a doctor, you can choose anything, whatever. If you want to go and do daily wages, but you can choose, but they will not allow you to do and take career in yoga field. I'll tell you why. Because they are afraid. They are afraid because you may leave the family, you may leave your friends, you may leave from society. But it is not true when it comes to yoga. It is completely misunderstanding about yoga. And let me tell you what is yoga. Yoga means you make include everybody. That is what yoga means. But they misunderstand that you are going away from the society and people and the nature, but it is not true. My friends and my beloved people, I am telling you this, and I will give you more clarity on this. Let me tell you first how to choose career in this yoga field. First, when you are studying, you complete your studies anyway, okay? Then after you take a course, any course, but you must be clarity about what you are going to do. Because if you are going to take a career in yoga, then you must have a clarity. In your entire life, you must stay with yoga. That is what will happen to you. That is why you have to choose first initially. Then you should not think about it. Once you enter into it, you have to swim. Otherwise, you will die in the ocean. That is what will happen. Once you started, once you get in, then there is no way looking back. Only forward. Only forward. There is no way. There is no one will come. There is no one will come to save you. I really telling you, this is a challenge to take a career in yoga. But you can become success. How? I'll give you the clarity. First, start with one good teacher training course. Anywhere. Otherwise, you can go some places where you find the guru and you can surrender to him and learn something very important for you, something which transforms you. Once you transformed, then you can transform the people in any field. Once you touch the taste of life, then you will rock the life. That is what will happen to you once you choose yoga career also. If you find the right guru and right place and right time, then no one will going to stop you. That will happen. But how can I start? Now first complete your studies, then take a 2 years of time. Complete your whole body, mind and your life. Completely take your hand, 2 years of time. Then prepare yourself. Prepare your body, prepare your mind, prepare your emotions. Everything you have to prepare. Because once you enter into the society, then you don't have a time to change anything. You are going to give something more important to this society and people around you. First, build yourself and make yourself full grown. Not grown in the sense of body, but in maturity, in the sense of life that you are in, you have to grow that one. You take time, but once you're stable enough, then you go out and spread whatever you have. First, build yourself. That is what my first point. Build yourself. Building yourself such a way that nothing will change after that. That is why I tell you, first build yourself. Then go outside. Go outside and try to start with small things. Small things. First, initially start with small. Then once you understand the capabilities of yourself, then you go and multiply and develop your skills along with society and your relationship with the society, so that you can grow yourself and people together. First build yourself and combine yourself with the people and grow. This is two way of doing it. That is what I am saying. You have to grow with people. That builds you more stronger. Then third thing is, you have to make money out of this also. Because once you go out to reach people, you need many things to transform. So you need money. So you have to make money too. Then only they will respect you, and you will have a capability of doing many things out of money. So that's why I tell you, earn money. Then only you can build very comfortable places for your people. Then you can spread much more easier whatever you have, and you can transform people with your whole capabilities. If you don't have money, then no one will going to support you. Even you can't survive yourself without money. The first thing is, you have to build yourself, and second thing is, you have to build yourself along with the society. You have to transform the people, and you have to build yourself along with the people. And third thing is money. Money makes you more valuable to yourself, and that makes you to reach whole world. That is what I meant to say you. First start with the initial small thing, then you can rock the society, you can rock your life. This is not a bad choice. I am telling you, you start as soon as possible with a little, then you can show what you are. Okay, thank you my heroes, and I love you.